y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to silk out your wigs. Just a really simple flat iron, and that's all. So we're going to start with this. Not too much, because we're flat ironing our wig and we don't want too much. We don't want it to be too heavy and greasy. Ooh, and I think I actually put too much, so I'm going to try to be. I don't know if this color is making this hair brittle, if I didn't wash the color out, but it's feeling very brittle, and it was not feeling that way before. I don't know, this color has really changed this hair. I don't want to spray too much of this, but we're going to spray a little bit of this. Now, I normally could speak on cheap hot tools, like curling irons, cool. But flat irons, I don't know if you're gonna get the same results if you're using like a $30 flat iron. Ooh, I hope this is not greasy. I just sprayed this and it did not really need to be sprayed, but it kind of did. It looks a little greasy. Let's hope this heat takes that grease out, because sometimes it does. Alright YouTube, so this is the finish. This is the wig. It looks so good. It's so long. It's so luscious. Don't you just love it? Let's get a close-up for the girls. We gotta get a close-up for the girls. Look at that. It looks amazing. So make sure you guys like, comment, share this post, subscribe to my channel. And as you know, your girl is always gonna give y'all the tea, okay? With the wigs, the styling, everything, okay? So don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.